After performing an oil change on your 2022 or 2023 Nissan Pathfinder, it's crucial to reset the oil life monitoring system. This clears the maintenance required light and ensures accurate tracking of your next oil change interval. The system uses an algorithm based on driving conditions to estimate oil degradation. Resetting it prevents premature warnings and keeps your warranty intact. The default interval is 7,500 miles or 6 months, but may be customizable at your dealer. First, ensure the ignition is in the on position, but the engine is off. Navigate through the infotainment display menu to find Maintenance, then Oil Life. Select Reset and confirm the action. A successful reset will display 100% oil life. If the reset fails, check your battery health or consult the owner's manual. For persistent issues, an OBD2 scanner or a dealer visit might be necessary. Never reset while driving.